Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have started the new chapter of our good grammar book, and name of the chapter is preposition. We have read some problem prepositions, means we have read about the difference between among and between. Among we will use when we distribute the things more than two or three persons, and between we use when we distribute the thing between two persons. In and into. In shows position in one place, into shows movement from one place to another. Into we use when we see the movement anywhere. And if we don't see the movement, just we want to tell the person that this is the. So in we use when we shows position, means we are going inside the house. एंड इनटू वी यूज़ व्हेन वी शो द मूवमेंट कि कोई चीज़ चल रही है मूवमेंट में, लाइक पोन्ड्स में, रिवर्स में, वाटर में. जैसे अगर हम फिश की बात करेंगे तो इनटू द वाटर आएगा. जैसे अगर पोन्ड की बात करेंगे, फ्रॉग है तो वो इनटू द, मतलब कि जिसमें मूवमेंट हो रही है. ठीक है. बिसाइड एंड बिसाइड्स. बिसाइड मीन्स एट द साइड ऑफ. बिसाइड्स मीन्स इन एडिशन टू. द टीचर स्टूड बिसाइड द टेबल. Several girls were there beside रूपा. मतलब कि beside हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी की साइड में कोई चीज़ बताते हैं कि जो टीचर है वो टेबल के साइड में खड़ा है. और besides का मतलब होता है several girls were there besides रूपा. रूपा के अलावा बहुत सारी लड़कियां और थी वहाँ पे. डिफरेंस. beside का मतलब एक साइड में, और बिसाइड्स का मतलब उसके अलावा भी बहुत सी और चीज़ें होती हैं. प्रीपोजिशन और एडवर्ब. टू टेल वेदर द वर्ड इज़ अ प्रीपोजिशन और एन एडवर्ब, लुक एट द वे इट इज़ यूज्ड. आई फेल डाउन. मैं नीचे गिरा. आई वॉक डाउन द रोड. अब देखो डिफरेंस इनमें. डाउन इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज एन एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. इट टेल्स वेयर आई फेल. Down in the second sentence is a preposition showing the position of the subject. Remember also that a preposition usually has a noun or a pronoun after it. Preposition में पहले या बाद में आपको noun या pronoun मिलेगा. और अगर हम adverb की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो simple हमारा जो verb है, जो हमने काम किया है, बस वो बताएगा. ये डिफरेंस है. आई फेल डाउन में नीचे गिर गया. आई वॉकड डाउन द रोड. मैं रोड के नीचे चल रहा हूँ, मतलब मेरी वॉक हो रही है रोड के नीचे. देन क्वेश्चन टाइम. सॉरी, दिस इज प्रीपोजिशन एडवर्ब दैट वी हैव डन. ओके, so now we are starting preposition. Preposition show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another sentence, with another word in a sentence. They are usually followed by a noun or a pronoun. preposition में एक noun या pronoun जो है वो आपको ज़रूर मतलब मिलेगा. रेशमा is going up the stair. I finished reading the book in 3 days. Some commonly used preposition are in, from, over, under, below, beside, for, at, by, of, out, on, through, and with. So exercise we are doing. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the brackets. There were 4 eggs in the sparrow's nest. The telephone is by the window. The kangaroo jumped over the fence. The children walked into the forest. The kitten was sitting. अब देखो children walked मतलब movement हो रही है ना, that's why we use into. The kitten was sitting under the table. Saroj climbed up the flight of steps. There is a herd of cows in the field. The Pied Piper stepped into the street. Jack's grandmother sat by the fire and told him a tale. Gulliver found 3 men standing on his chest. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. The customers are standing outside the bank waiting for it to open. Dwarka is near the Indira Gandhi International Airport. The train is going through the tunnel. My aunt lives in a flat above the shop which sells sports goods. Circle the correct preposition. The teacher was angry with me. I pear fell. The pear fell off the tree. मतलब किसी चीज़ से हटना, अलग होना. When we use of. The bottle is full of water. देखो जो बॉटल है वो full of water है. और अगर किसी चीज़ से कोई दूसरी चीज़ अलग होती है मतलब कटना, टूटना, that is off. Let's sit here and wait for Anjali. Karan fell into the pool. Roma was in Mumbai last week. Sunny has been ill since last night. The cat jumped off the chair. The two friends shared the lunch between themselves. Vipul will return from office in an hour. The little children were tired, so they sat on the bench. Aman brushes his teeth after having meals. Sneha returned from America after 2 months. Hari dived into the flooded river to save the drawing boy. Snow White and the hunter went to the forest on foot. The postman knocked at the door. Distribute these chocolates among the students of the class. You must reach home before sunset. Alice sat beside the rabbit. Chetan returned from the hostel with all his belongings. Replace the underlined preposition in these sentences with their opposites. So here we have to write opposite words. Inside, outside. They left before the bell rang. They left after the bell rang. Below, above, down, up. The children came running down the stair. The children raced up the stair. Away from, towards. So these are the exercise of preposition. Do this exercise in your good grammar book and learn them also because this syllabus will come in your PT4 exam.